Hey Petty Fam, we're back with Queen's Vlog, Glam Squad, Shenanigans. Alright, look like they having fun today. Okay, Miss Queen, let's get into it.
I don't like y'all.
The other foot got
Yeah, if he call me daddy, I know he getting in the panties. So daddy, 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 daddy. What's up, Queendom? It's your girl, Queen, and I'm back.
Hey sis, she back with another video.
Right now I'm outside. Well, duh, that's so obvious. Walking into a video shoot I have. It's not my own song, but I am featured on a song. I can't tell you guys because...
Ooh, featured on songs. Go girl.
You know, it's confidential information. But I'm gonna give y'all just a little bit behind the scenes, like what I'm wearing. You know, the looks. Chop it up with my glam team and stuff. And I don't know, it's just gonna be a vlog. So hope you guys enjoy it. Hey, Sloggerpuss. Hey, girl. Hey, look at my Slogger. It was just her birthday. Say happy belated birthday to my Slogger. Hey.
Hey, happy belated birthday, Miss Ma'am.
Hey, hey. Do you notice something?
About you?
Yeah.
No lashes.
No flashes. You brought my favorite ones. How do I look without them?
You look like a little baby.
A baby what?
Slugger.
A baby Slogger. I look like a... Not gonna do that, but I
No, don't do that, sis. You look fine with or without them, okay?
look like a little Nicki Mo red. A cute Nicki Mo red. When do I have to be ready by?
4:45. And
What time is it right now?
2 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock, so we have literally... Ooh, that's a cute little... Okay. So we literally have 2 hours and 44 minutes now.
Like dressed, makeup, hair.
Okay, what I was thinking was when they sent the treatment, they wanted my outfit to be like a deep kind of... either a deep yellow or red to contrast like that. So I'm thinking like what I see is like a yellow lid, and I see like a maroon reddish kind of like crease, like 2 fire hydrants. No. Y'all, I want some hot Cheetos so bad, but y'all know I'm trying to do good.
I mean, I know the lady can make it happen, but that's not it. I don't know. I gotta see it. Whole thing, she's trying to be healthy.
It's 150 calories. How many carbs? 17 grams of carbs? That's not bad, but I don't know if I should have that. That's not really good. Hey! Hell yeah! This ain't no doggone beauty grown. They need to get a director's chair if they know they
You think they could? What? Director's chair?
Yeah, QC. I mean, there's a director here, so maybe we can use a director's chair.
This is a massage chair.
Queen said she needed a larger chair. I need it high. I need it to be the right type of chair. I just don't sit in regular chairs. Queen.
Oh, no, that's so good.
Really?
It really hurt that. Oh, you go inward. Oh,
This is it hurt.
do a little softer.
This is the most painful part for me because that's why
That
I'm
hurt so
hunching
bad.
over. Yeah, those look good today.
Nice and clean. Chip, 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 and inside it.
I keep seeing these Popeyes nuggets.
Honestly, I needed it anyway,
Hey, Lee.
to be honest. Come in. Open on up, baby. Open that door, baby.
This is the actual makeup chair.
All right, you better sing, Queen.
That's the makeup chair. Look, we switching. Doing a switch. Doing a switch. Doing a switch. Ayy. Putting like the juke in the box. Putting in the soup in the box.
Is that too far? Oh, that's good.
No, this is great. Love me good. Love me good and love me. Don't broken promises, don't want a project. What if I turn into a rock song? Or a country song? Let me try to turn into a country song. Love me.
She got the shit she wanted, though. Go, girl.
Good and lie to me. Don't want broken promises, don't want apologies. I don't want to be complaining, girl. Love me good and lie to me. Don't want broken promises. Don't want apologies.
Is that your phone?
I don't want to be the one complaining. Shaving my mustache. Look at my boo Evan. Oh, wow.
That's behind the scenes, for real.
Oh, this is crazy. Look, she over there eating, period. What's that? Oh, man, I'm starving. Look at outside, y'all. This is nuts. And I just seen the thunder. Almost done, y'all. Period cramps feel like somebody...
Does it feel like contraction?
No, the contractions is way worse than that. But period...
Worse than this?
Period cramps feel like... Girl, yes, girl.
Oh,
don't get pregnant.
No. Let me not say I'm not gonna have
No. Like, to be honest, though, it feels like someone's, like, taking a knife. And then now they twisting it. They twisting it. That's how it feels. That's what I... This watermelon look a little...
Sit down.
She working on those dance moves, y'all. Wow. Okay.
That is the bed of ants. Where?
You in the wrong place. You in your computer.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh my God. Look at this. This is like a family reunion of ants.
Yeah, they had a baby over there.
A family reunion.
All the way up the wall. Look at the wall. All the way up
A family reunion. Come on down, get your plate.
Okay, so what we gonna do is, I ain't gotta tell. Oh, you take you and your people. I don't like y'all.
Why don't you like them though?
They're mean.
We don't like you either, sir. We don't even know who you are. I mean, why are you coming for us and you just walked in the room? Rude. How you don't like us? What we do to you? You can be offended with him if you want to. We are welcoming to everybody. Just like, comment, and subscribe. That's it.
Stop being mean to Mitch, bro. Like,
Y'all
stop being
mean to everybody.
Like,
They mean-
that's what I'm wearing on my first set, my robe. I'm wearing this.
Oh God.
The road.
Here you go with your.
Yellow diamonds in the night. Why you looking at me like I'm in trouble?
You're not in trouble.
You
Just
right,
trying to
though.
keep it moving so we can get out of here.
Okay, I'm gonna get you.
Fun fact, you know my...
Leap ready to go. She said, let's stop all this silliness and let's just go. It's time to leave. I've been here too long. I got stuff to do.
first recorded song was called Keep It Moving.
Huh?
Yep, I gotta let you hear it. Are you down here by my recording?
I would have said it.
Like, oh, it's a lip hanging out. It's not that long. My lip's not that long.
Queen. Why do she say stuff like this? Oh my gosh. Sis, ooh, no. No and no.
Let me get you, Mitch.
Nobody offends you. This way.
This way.
No, not right now. You don't have to, Lee, you can't even see. You don't have to do this first.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this part.
Oh, that feel good. Oh, yes. Period. Falling in love. Don't break my heart when she find out you a thug.
You heard me?
Huh? So do the whole scene laying down. Okay. So y'all.
All right then. I guess that's a look.
Standing here cold. They're fixing the tub over there. Because I didn't like the lighting angle, so this is what happens at video shoots. I gotta stand here in a towel and lingerie. Oh yeah. And guess what? I'm hungry. So hungry, I could eat a...
After the scene, I'll get you some.
Oh, where we going?
Huh? Where you wanna
Texas
go?
Roll House? No, I'm gonna eat rolls. Psych. I think I'll be good there.
You behave?
Yeah, I'll eat the shrimp, the corn, rice. Maybe one roll. Maybe one. What?
Cause you're funny.
One roll. We are all set.
Okay. This is gonna be an interesting video.
titty committee, the titty crew.
No. What they called again? The Royal Gang? What is it?
What they call? Royal Gang?
What's her
What's your names?
Sis, really? Don't do that. Now they gonna be coming for you, okay? Just know things. Why? I mean, why you ask? Just say, hey, y'all, if you don't know. Well, who is y'all? What do they call y'all? Don't do that, girl. Y'all pray for
Royal Gang? Hey, Royal Gang, we're back with another video. I'm screaming. That's not going on YouTube.
You know she loves us. You know she loves talking about food.
Y'all want to play? Ooh.
Don't
Girl, I
do
look
that.
white.
Right, what my Bruno looking like?
It look good.
Maybe I got it back.
She gonna watch this and be like, what the fuck?
We're filming right now. Today has been a productive day. We have hair and makeup was actually really, really cute today.
That's so sweet she left them in there, though. You know, she's just letting everybody shine.
Yes.
It's really giving cute, sexy, seductive. Yeah.
Can they see that?
Y'all know there's a hard-working woman here. And she a Libra, so she really gotta have it her way. So
And she might overthink it a little bit.
yeah, that's all. But other than that, she's a boss ass bitch.
Period. And we gonna close out the vlog like that.
That's pretty. Coming in.
All right, that was pretty good. All right, Queen.
Sure. So yeah, the next one, same lighting. We're just gonna change the lens so it's even tighter.
How you feeling?
I feel cold and hungry. I feel cold.
You sound like CJ.
Did you record a playback?
Everybody loves CJ.
I did, yeah.
Come on, we gotta change.
You heard me?
I'm recording this.
I'm very cold.
Voice.
We're going back in here to the ant room.
Mitch said,
They had enough time to do something about them ants, y'all. That's not good, y'all.
It's cold. Yeah, it is cold now.
Yeah. Dry off and then put on the road.
Huh?
Dry off. Try to dry off as much as you can and then put on.
Okay, Evan.
Get it on, yeah. Get it on. So daddy. If he call me daddy, I know he getting in the panties. Yeah. If he call me daddy, I know he getting in the panties. So daddy. It's a wrap, y'all. I'm ready to go home. But they want me to...
I want you to take a picture.
What?
Did you take a good picture of your outfit?
Is it safe to say that Evan is going on tour with me?
I'm on tour with you.
Is it safe to say that Tisha's going on tour with me? Slug a puss, period. Is it safe to say that Lee's going on tour with me?
Ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
At least you ain't going nowhere without me. Yeah, we gotta have Lee.
Period. Mitch, are you going on tour with me?
Yes. Just ask me.
No.
Ask me.
You're going on tour.
Ask me.
Is Mitch going on tour?
She's going on tour.
Period.
All right, y'all. So that is it. This is a fun vlog, and she shared a lot of her new music.